Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel! And welcome back to the Artsy Studio. I am Artsymadwoman. First name Artsy, last name Madwoman. And I make rugs, or I used to. Because listen, I haven't changed it up on you guys in a while. You know, I haven't given you whiplash in a while. So I'm thinking I'm gonna switch things up around here. And I have a little gift for you to make the whiplash not feel so painful. All right, here's the news. We're taking down my tufting frame. I'm done with tufting. We're going back to resin. I'm just kidding, sorry. Tufting's kind of the love of my life, but I do think that we need to change things up. And with the contents of these boxes and a box out in the kitchen, we're gonna shake things up in here. It's a new year, and I need a refresh. And do you know what you need? A free tufting gun? So stick around to the end of this video because the contents of these boxes also has something for you. So we're gonna go through one of All Things Effy's tufting starter kits. By the way, this isn't sponsored, but this was gifted to me. But I get to say whatever I want. And we're gonna save this box for later. So we're gonna start with this box, which is a tufting frame. But before we do that, we're gonna bring in my hot, sexy husband to use his hot, sexy muscles to take down my large tufting frame. Okay, let's get started.
Okay. Actually, how big are these screws?
This is gonna be so easy. Oh, you know what?
What?
You know what I'm just remembering?
What?
I stripped the out of these screws.
Yep, I was just seeing that.
Face of a lover with a smile in her heart. A girl with a tore me up. Wow, look at that. It came right off.
The rest of it's gonna be this easy.
Yeah, totally gonna be very, very easy. That sounds good. The pliers that you requested.
That's them?
These are jewelry pliers, and they are all I have for pliers, I think. Wait,
Okay.
no! That's a lie. Aha! Ah! Nobody freak out. I'm looking at you, Gina. Is it working?
Not yet.
It's not spinning at all?
No.
You see how stripped that screw is? What'd you call it? A cup.
You can drink water from that thing.
So I did my special trick. It's
Magic.
fine. Oh, wow!
Crazy.
Bye-bye. Cuts. So these bottom pieces of carpet gripper I attached with wood glue. Yeah, we're prying it off.
We're trying.
Beautiful! Who would do this? So the reason we need to get under that is because of the screws that are under it, right?
It must be screwed, right? Because otherwise we wouldn't have even put the foot on.
Yeah, well, so my question is, before you keep hammering, if I jammed wood glue in there, the wood glue is going to be in the screw holes.
That's a fair point.
And we're not going to be able to unscrew it anyway. Look at him go. Just to show you what I did, what I was talking about earlier. You see that? All the goop here? Wood glue. I glued this to the metal because I'm smart. Oh my God. You're looking at a genius, everybody.
Enormous, wrinkly organ in the skull.
Explain to them what you did.
So this was covering this screw hole, which contained a screw that went down into this. If we didn't get that out, then this would remain a U instead of
Okay, but
being...
yeah, tell them the genius part.
Oh, the plus at the top of the screw was filled in with wood glue, so I just chiseled a quick boom, 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 boom.
What's the boom booms?
That's me chiseling the directions into the top of the screw.
You just like made indents so that the screwdriver could fit?
Yes, exactly.
Wow. Oh! You just dropped that, brother.
Yep. Oh, I didn't take these out. I lied. There were 2 screws left.
Oh, okay. Small brain.
Just big brain filled with malice.
Don't talk. Wow, look, my frame is just all in pieces. We did it! Yay!
I know, right?
High five! It's time. And to finally slice this thing open. I actually have no idea if this frame stands on its own or if it needs to clamp to a table. Look, little metal triangles. Oh wow, I see the scary nails. Frightening instructions. You in there? Yes, thank God. A table. This is actually the table that I used to film all of my resin videos on. It's actually our kitchen table, so I'm gonna need it back. Wow, that is gnarly. So this is what the nails look like. Oh yeah. All right, I'm dual wielding. We've got 2 of the longer spikies and 2 of the shorter spikies. If you've ever made a tufting frame before, you know that is correct. So one of the longer spikies goes on the bottom. I think everything slides together. Yeah, no, it doesn't. The nails have to go out. Make sure the nails are going out, not up. Yay, we get to unbox all of these little triangles. Yay! Thanks, Santa. Cut away from you. Cut away from you and towards your friends. I'm just kidding. So this is what they look like. Little corner pieces. These are fun. But I have 5 billion to unpack, so I'll be back. All right, so this is actually super easy to put together. So we're gonna have our 2 canals line up, and you also wanna make sure that the bottom nail, why is everything a tutorial with me? Just line up this bottom nail with this bottom nail, okay? You don't want it over here, because then you'll have a gap. You don't want it over here, because, you know, whatever you want. Hey, slide these little feet into the canals. Like that. And then this thing, use bottom. And you just give it a little tighten. And magically the foot like figures it out and tightens. Wow. And then you do the same for the top. Absolutely magical. So now we've got 2 already. This is nice. No screwdriver required. Drill? Whatever. All right, now we're gonna flip this weapon around. It tried to attack me already. I like these little triangle things. That is neat. What am I, 70? That's neat. What a neat little mechanic you got there. Well, our frame is together and now I just have to stand here for all of eternity to hold it up straight. It's going well. I bet you're all like, Heather, why? Why do you have to do things so weirdly? And the answer is because I'm just a girl. This here contraption's the clamp. Okay, anyways, open it up and then you can slide it right over and then you tighten that bad boy. All right, last step is we're going to be making whatever one of these is called. We've got more of these very cool little footy things, footy screw things. Oh my god, what, bro? Am I stupid? Okay. Got it. I got it. Everything's falling apart. All right, so I'm just gonna wiggle them until they go into the spot that they're supposed to be in. Magical. Screw it in. And then the same for the bottom piece. The frame is done. And it's beautiful. At first, I was a little like, oh. Yeah, and then second, I was kind of like, do I really need these like back? You're not seeing them right now, but the kickstands, the triangle things in the back, you know what I'm talking about. It's like, do I really need those? But pushing on it from the top, if it didn't have those, I feel like it would be a little. So I actually really love this. We need to put it to the real test and put fabric on there. The nails are very different from the like tack strip that I'm used to. They're huge. And 2, there's only like 1 layer of them. 3, they're kind of spaced out. So I'm eager, anxious to get the fabric up there. So we're gonna do it now. Ding. All right, frame is up. Let's explore the rest of this tufting kit. This box is the perfect size. Is an AK-5. If you don't know, this is my all-time favorite tufting tool. This is my current tufting gun. This is the one that I use and the one that I love. Still the one I love all night. So yeah, I already have one of these. I don't really think I need another one. Next up is something that I have actually never used. That's a lie. I did used to edge my rugs. You know what I mean. Make the back edges of your rugs look really nice. This is really nice. Woo! Oh my god, they're lavender as well. Oh, there's another. Hold on. It's shy. 3 lavender threaders. And the good kind, too. Next up. Oh my god. This really comes with... Hold. Well, actually, hold on to that. Don't lose that. Not only is it the guide, but it also comes with carver. Oh my god. Carpet carver, but they have like different heads, different, you know, like length things. You know, have you ever shaved a beard? This is cool. This is very cool. But I already have a carver. Next, some tufting fabric for your frame. I'm assuming this is for a 3x3. And lastly, some backing fabric. I feel like that's a crazy worth tufting kit. And if you would like to win everything in that box that I just showed you, there will be a Google Forms link down in the description with all of the rules. You need to be 18 years or older, and it is open to US only. I'm sorry. Make sure you read through the entire Google form. I'm excited to see who wins. I started my channel doing resin stuff, and then I switched to doing random art things because I kind of fell out of love with resin stuff. And then I found tufting. And it like relit the flames in my heart. No, but it like actually did. I love tufting with my whole heart and soul. And with this, it's just so cool that, like, you know, I might be able to give somebody the gift of tufting or maybe upgrade a tufter's tools. And I appreciate all of you for sticking around, and I'm happy you're here, and I love you so much. I know this is probably posted already in the new year, but thank you for another year of whatever this is. And I have all this crazy stuff because of you. Nobody's gonna cry. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I love you to absolute death. I'll see you. I didn't get the chance to say I'll see you next year. Can we pretend for a second? I'll see you guys next year. Goodbye.